Hi, my name's Mark, and welcome to Membership Websites. So, this is just a quick workaround for allowing your members to control if they appear live on your website or not. Okay, so if we click on search now, for example, I think there are just 6 members in here. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add a function where they can choose whether they appear live within the search results or on the website or not. So this is what to do. If you go into the back end, go to Toolbox, Form Manager. For the purpose of this, I'm going to use the member about form. So it's just here and we'll customize it. We're going to scroll down. We're going to put this section below the text editor. So here's the text editor just here. So we're going to add a new field. I've added 2, so we'll remove one of them. Okay, and we're going to just use a checkbox function. And I'm just going to simply put appear live. Now you might reword this better, and that's fine. You might also decide you're going to put a help section just above this section in between the text editor and this bit, just detailing what this section is referring to. Make sure it's well highlighted to show them that it's an important or it's a requirement for them to feature live on the website. They need to complete this section. So that's all we're doing. I'm just going to change the database variable to live. And that's it. So I've put appear live, change the database variable. I've changed it to live just to make it simple. And then I've just used the word yes. And again, you'll be able to make adaptations to this. This is just one quick workaround. We're going to save that. And when we scroll down on the right hand side, the appear live is just appearing in the wrong place. I'm just going to take it up one level and then just save again, and that will just bump it up to just above the save and continue section, which is where we want it to appear, just there. Okay, and again, I would highlight this, I would have it flashing, whatever you want to have it done, so that your members see this when they're getting to the final stages of completing their profile. Really important as well to make sure you don't have this as a required field, because if they don't want to appear live, then they need to leave this box unchecked. And again, I would give clear instructions just in that. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to settings, general settings, search settings, require complete profiles. I would tick yes for that because we require them to be complete. And then go to advanced settings, and then we find the complete profile section, which is just here. And then we put a comma and we're just going to add the word live, and we don't put a comma after that. And that's a variable that we used for that section. We're going to save that. When we go back to the search result page now, when I refresh it, you'll see that there is one result, and that is based on the fact that I have ticked this box. Now, if there's any point that I don't want to appear live, I can just uncheck this box. And again, you can have clear instructions around this section to determine or to let them know what this section refers to. So it's a really important section if they're using this section. We're going to save that now. We're going to go back here and we'll see now that the listing disappears. So you see that there. And again, if we go to the About Me, we can reappear by clicking the yes box and clicking save. And then once we've done that, we can go back to the search results and refresh, and you see the listing appears again. The rest of the listings that we had in the list aren't appearing because they've now got this new field that they're going to need to tick. But it's a really good workaround, and if you want your members to be able to decide that, as I say, it's quite simple to set up. Thanks for watching.